Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your chances of conception. We will explore essential steps to help you on your journey. First, understanding your body's natural rhythm is key. Knowing your cycle helps pinpoint the best time to try. Next, we will discuss how daily choices significantly impact your reproductive health. Finally, we will cover when it might be beneficial to seek expert guidance for your fertility journey. Pinpointing your fertile window is crucial for conception. For many, this window occurs around day 14 of a 28-day cycle. You can track basal body temperature, cervical mucus changes, or use ovulation predictor kits to detect the luteinizing hormone surge. Having intercourse during the 5 days leading up to and including ovulation significantly increases your likelihood of getting pregnant. Once you've selected a service, navigate to its official website. Look for Roblox in their game library and click the Play in Browser button. You will then be prompted to log in using your existing Roblox account credentials. After a brief loading period, which might include a short advertisement, you'll be able to access and play your favorite Roblox games directly. Knowing when to seek professional guidance is important. If you are under 35 and have been trying to conceive for 1 year without success, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider. For those 35 or older, seeking advice after 6 months of trying is recommended. Your doctor can assess your situation, offer personalized recommendations, and explore potential underlying factors to support your journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.